Hi guys, Assalamualaikum, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal. Today I am going to do a tutorial of this classic and timeless makeup. This look will be slightly different from my other makeup looks. I hope you will like it, so let's get started. So to start out this look, I am going to be using the FOXY Vitamin C Brightening Perfector, one of my favorites, and put this all over the skin. I absolutely love this product. It does exactly what it says, brightens and perfects my face, making it smooth and soft. After that, I'll apply this Estee Lauder eye balm on my eye areas. It's a very hydrating eye cream and I have decided to go for a full size jar after finishing this small one. It nourishes the thin skin around my eyes. There is no better way to brighten and plump under the eyes before applying concealer. For my foundation, I am going to be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I have this in the shade 2 and 1, so I am gonna put it on my hand. I am applying the foundation in dots all over my face. I am actually gonna be using this beauty blender from the Real Technique to blend it. This is one of the most beautiful foundations. It gives such a nice finish to the skin. It feels pretty light and yet it delivers full coverage, something I really love about it. For my eyebrows, I have a new brow product. The Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. First, it's a retractable pencil which comes in the typical Benefit bright cardboard box with a silver oddly shaped pencil inside. I selected shade 5. It has a brown nib on one side and spoolie in the other side. I love how fine this nib is, as you can actually draw in individual hair that looks so natural. This makes it brilliant for anyone with sparse or gappy brows or ones that really lack definition. It also comes in 12 shades which will match every conceivable skin tone. This is the best brow pencil I have ever used. The thinness of the lid makes it so easy to draw on the brow hairs and control the application. It's firm enough that it doesn't smudge but also gives a great color payoff. I'm completely in love with this brow pencil. I'll set them with Benefit Give Me Brow Gel. You can use any brow gel. For concealer today I'm going to be using my new Dior Forever Skin Correct Concealer. This is the packaging. It's an acrylic tube, feels quite sturdy and luxe. This concealer, according to Dior, it's a multitasking 24 hours lasting concealer with creamy full coverage. It comes in 28 shades and the formula is enriched with pansy extracts for skincare benefits. I chose shade 15 and Neutral. Consistency is semi-creamy and it has a mild floral scent. I'm using my finger to blend this. The finish is medium to full coverage. The formula is rich in pigments. I like that it can do that without being heavy, thick and borderline pasty. I'm gonna go and bronze my skin now. I'm gonna be using Huda Beauty Tinter Contour and Bronzer Cream. I'm using my RBR brush and applying it on the areas where I need to bronze. It applies and blends out very easily. I like it for the contouring as it's on the cool side. Doesn't look greasy, great staying power. I'll add a little bit of the Hoola bronzer from the Benefit and will start here on the cheeks and bring it up on the sides of nose, forehead and temples. Now I'm applying the concealer under my eyes and the areas where I need to highlight. I'm blending it with the blender. Now I'm going to set my face with this translucent powder from Airspun. I put it underneath my eyes, on my cheeks, right on the sides of my nose and forehead. Then dusting it with my Real Techniques face brush. I'm applying some more bronzer to intensify it. For blush, I'm gonna be using this rosy pink blush from the Pixie Beauty Ultimate Beauty Kit 6th edition. So pigmented, and when you look at it, it's like magenta pink on your face. So all you need to do is apply it with a light hand. And then I'm gonna be using the highlighter from the same palette to highlight my face. I'm using it on the high points, and again I'm going to keep it very subtle. For eye makeup, I'm gonna be using the Pixie palette again. I'm taking this peachy brown shade and applying it with a small blending brush from Prune. I'm gonna use this to carve out my outer crease and outer corner. Usually if you have hooded eyes like me, you will have a crease line passing right across your lid, and that will end up hiding under the hood so you can barely see your lid space. Next, I'm gonna take this rusty brown shade and apply it with a medium small blending brush from Sigma on the outer corner and blend it on the creases as well. I'm applying the same shade on the lower lash line and then blending it with the peachy one. Now I'm taking this champagne gold shade on my finger and applying it on the center parts of my lids. It's a beautiful lightest golden shade that looks pretty on the rust brown shade. I'm blending it with the blending brush. Finally, I'm gonna take this black shade from the palette and I'm going to start creating a wing following the lower lash line. I'm gonna put this right at the corner and then just go straight up following that line continuously, working this out all the way almost to where the eyebrows meets that angle. Now I'm drawing a pointed line in my inner corners. I'm just following that here just like that and doing the same thing to the other eyes. I'm gonna use the Smashbox Super Fan Mascara, basically avoiding the inner part of the lashes and just really working on the outer. I'm finishing my eye makeup by applying a pair of false lashes. For my lips, I have the other newbie. It's NARS Velvet Lip Liner. This is the outer box and the shade I picked is Nihivotu. The lip liner comes in sleek retractable pencil packaging with a safety cap and an attached sharpener. My shade Nihivotu is described as a cardinal red. Let me swatch. As you can see, it's a beautiful red. The texture of this liner is such that it effortlessly slips on my lips like butter, giving a full color payoff with sharp and precise lines. The shape of the liner helps to define as well as fill in the lip lines. It sits beautifully to a smooth matte finish which looks beautiful. I love how comfortably it sits on my normal dry lips and how it doesn't look dry or feathered around my lip lines. I absolutely love this lip liner. Another new product for lips is this YSL Per Couture lipstick. I love the packaging. This is the golden outer box and this is the lipstick. The shade is La Rouge 1, which is gorgeous pure red color. It's just red. The perfect red not only gives that glam pout but also brightens up your face. It goes on opaque and feels very creamy on the lips. The formula is very luxurious. It feels light. The finish, as you can see, is a satiny matte that I really love. I'm done with my makeup. Now I have changed my clothes and styled my hair. Wearing a pair of earrings and I'm ready. Well, this is the completed makeup look. I'm happy with the outcome. Okay guys, that's going to be everything for this classy makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And press the bell icon so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.